Accurate pipe and cable locating is an important part of safe and successful excavation. Anytime you dig, you need to have an accurate picture of the buried utilities in the area. Water, power, sewer, telephone, gas, fiber optic, and cable TV lines all run underground. Digging into any one of these lines by accident may disrupt service to the public or cause you or your crew members serious injury. Accurate locating can prevent such accidents. In this program, you'll discover how the Metrotech 9800 line locators can help improve the efficiency and increase the accuracy of your locates. Metrotech locators are sophisticated, yet easy-to-use electronic instruments. Locating can be done either actively or passively. Locating technicians use passive, receiver-only locating for ground surveys to determine whether pipes or cables are present in an area, to locate live power lines, and to confirm active locates. Active locating involves both a transmitter and a receiver. To locate a pipe or cable in the active mode, you must first transmit a signal onto your target conductor, which must be metallic or have metal tracing wire or tape to pick up the signal. The receiver, tuned to the same frequency, picks up the signal above ground, allowing you to trace the conductor's path. In active locating, there are three methods for transmitting the signal onto your target conductor: conductive or direct connect, inductive coupling or clamp, and inductive or indirect. The best active locating method is the conductive or direct connect method. Because the transmitter is directly connected to the metallic conductor, maximum signal will be transmitted on the conductor. If the direct connect method is not possible, use the inductive coupling method. Position a metro clamp around the conductor you want to trace, and the transmitter will induce a signal through the metro clamp directly onto the conductor. The third active method is the inductive or indirect method, used only when the other two active methods are not possible. The transmitter broadcasts a signal which is picked up by all conductors within the range of the transmitter. Usually the conductor nearest the transmitter will carry the most signal. Whenever possible, use the direct connect method. The signal will be stronger and the conductor will be easier to find. The Metrotech 9800 line locator will enable you to locate quickly and accurately, using both active and passive methods. Its many automatic, easy-to-use features will reduce second-guessing and save you time in the field. The Metrotech 9800 line locators are available in single, dual, or 3-frequency versions, depending on your locating frequency needs. The 9800 transmitter features multiple frequencies: automatic best frequency selection, poor conductor alert, a built-in ohm meter to measure line resistance, continuous automatic impedance matching, a rugged waterproof design, and automatic battery check at startup. The transmitter is available with replaceable or rechargeable batteries. The Metrotech 9800 receiver features distance-sensitive left-right guidance, digital signal strength display, push-button depth, continuous real-time automatic gain, current measurement, a single knob for frequency selection, both active and passive, optional backlighting, and rugged water-resistant housing. Accessories and options include 2-inch, 4-inch, and 8-inch metro clamps, a vehicle mount battery charger, headphones, sondes for tracing non-metallic lines, and sheath fault locating capability. When you first arrive at the job site, there are several things you should do before you begin to locate. If you're working in or near a street, always wear your orange reflectorized vest and use cones, red flags, or whatever safety precautions your company requires. Consult the blueprints or as-builts, if available, to determine the general location of the pipes or cables in the area. Use valves, hydrants, transformers, or other visual reference points to help orient yourself. When you're ready to locate, check the batteries on both the transmitter and receiver. On the transmitter, turn the power knob to the L or low power position. The LCD will display the battery status in percentage by the number of bars present. A slow beep every 5 seconds indicates the batteries are sufficiently charged. A low number of bars, followed by a fast beep, indicates the batteries are low. Because pipes and cables may carry live current, use a voltmeter before attaching the transmitter to any conductor. If electrical current is present, carefully disconnect the source using appropriate safety procedures. If you cannot disconnect the live current, use the inductive clamp or the inductive method to locate your target. If you're using the direct connect method, make sure the transmitter power is off. Then plug in the direct connect cable. Because of the 9800's high power output, handling both leads with the power on could deliver a mild shock. Attach the red clip to the most convenient hookup for your industry. Make sure that you have good metal-to-metal contact. The better the contact, the better your signal. The next step is to ground the transmitter. If no existing ground is available, use the ground spike. Extend the black lead of the direct connect cable as far as possible from the transmitter and at a right angle to your target conductor. Drive the ground spike into the ground and clip the lead onto the ground spike. If you can't use the ground spike because of concrete or asphalt, attach the black lead to the ground plate and extend the lead. To improve conductivity, pour water on the plate and weight it down if necessary. Make sure that the ground wire does not lay across or too close to another buried conductor. This may cause the signal to return on an unwanted conductor or create signals that make it difficult to isolate your target. If this happens, move the rod or plate to another location, away from the unwanted conductor. Although this may reduce the signal strength, it will help isolate the target. After connecting the ground, turn the transmitter on by again setting the power knob to the L or low position to minimize bleed over onto unwanted conductors. The transmitter again displays the battery check, then tests frequencies if in the auto mode. Once a frequency is chosen or manually selected, the transmitter then simultaneously displays signal strength and the loop resistance of your conductor. Solid bars indicate the signal output strength. The position of the blinking bar indicates in ohms the resistance on your conductor. Most locating problems are the result of inadequate signal flow. The transmitter's signal, applied to the conductor, must return to the transmitter via its ground connection. The quality of the ground is extremely important. A poor ground increases the loop's resistance to the signal flow. The ground must be metallic, and the deeper it is driven into the ground, the better your signal strength will be. A good ground reduces the loop's resistance and increases the signal flow. The two ways to reduce loop resistance are to improve your connection to the conductor or to improve the ground, or both. The built-in ohm meter on the Metrotech 9800 transmitter is designed to help you evaluate the quality of your circuit. You will know if you have successfully improved the circuit when the flashing bar on the transmitter moves to the left and the number of solid bars increases. A flashing right arrow on the LCD indicates too much resistance on the conductor.